Hello, my name is Yash Shah, and I'm going to be taking you through the application that I've been working on. So, my application is called Nutriaid, and right now we are on the login screen. But if I just go to my database, that you can see um, these are all the registered users currently. So, we are just going to sign up for an account, and then I'll just name it Yash, and then Shah. And then I'll put the email as test. And then test 1 2 3 for the password. Test 1 2 3. So I've just registered a new user, and if we refresh the database, you can see that the new user has been created. So if I just go back and if I now just try signing without any credentials, an error message has popped up. So I need to enter a valid email address. So that, and then test 1 2 3. So now, once we've logged into the application, we are presented with a dashboard, and these are the three common features that a user of this application would most likely want. So we'll first go to the calorie overview, and within the calorie overview, I can see the number of calories I've eaten, the remaining calories as well as burnt, and then I can also log my calories. So let's say um, I had pancakes for breakfast. So I can let's say that's 200 calories. And then as you can see for lunch, I've already fulfilled my calorie requirement. And let's say I had an apple, which is around 53 calories today. As you can see, it's being updated into the count as well as it's being logged. So like it says breakfast 200 calories as well as the time of when I input the calories. Now we'll go to the nutrition page. With the nutrition page, I can track my macronutrients as well as my micronutrients. So right now I have 55.4 grams in protein. And let's say I had an egg today and submit it. What that is doing is calling the Spooncular API, which gets the nutritional data for an egg. And so based on that, I can update my calories instead of manually having to type out I had, let's say, 20 grams of protein, 15 grams of carbohydrates, and maybe 20 grams of fat. So the user can quickly just log whatever they've eaten quickly. So if I go to the hydration tracking, now the user has an ideal water target that they have set for the day. And let's say I want to adjust the target water, the goal. I'll just set it to 3000. And let's say I've had water right now. I've had 100 milliliters of water right now. I can just quickly log that into this. Or let's say I've had 500 milliliters of water today. I can quickly add that. And then as you can see, the count updates as well. And in addition to this, I can also set a reminder um, so that every day I get a reminder at a certain time of when to drink water. And then over here, I can see a log of today of how much water I've drank and at what time I put in. And then if I go to the graph, I have a graph of the week to show me how much water I've been drinking throughout the week. Although this is not perfect right now, it's a future improvement that I will be working on. So if I go to the weight tracking, the user is able to track their weights at different points in time, and they can also see their progress of how their weight is going. Additionally, the user has other statistics that they can view, such as body fat, how much weight they lost, or how much is remaining, and they can also see their BMI. And then if I just enter my weight right now, so I'm 173, starting weight out 65. My current weight is 70, and I want to have a target weight of 75, and I'd like to achieve that by June 23rd, for example. So if I just save that, you can see that my starting weight has been displayed, my current weight, and then the target weight I want to achieve. And then there's this nice little progress bar showing me how far I am off my target. And then as days go by, the progress will start accumulating as well as the time. And then, as you can see, calculated my body fat based on my height and weight. And then um, this is a this is a bug right now, but it should say you've gained and then 5 kgs. So that's a future improvement that I'm working on. And then you can see calculated my BMI. And if I go to the graph view, I can see the monthly change of my weight over time. Now another feature the user has is the meal plan. So they can set their calorie intake, protein, carbohydrates and fats of how much they need based on their nutritional requirements. So let's say I need 3,000 calories, um, 100 180 grams of protein, and let's just say that. So based on these, the meal suggestions will change. And then as you can see, today is Wednesday, so it's gonna show up as today. But if I want to see what I have on Friday, I can quickly view that. And then the user can quickly click the refresh button and regenerate a meal, or they can view the recipe or delete the recipe. Another feature of the app is the education section, which gives the user the knowledge of the different um, terminologies. So, like, why is healthy eating important? What constitutes to healthy eating? Um, Maybe the user wants to know about micronutrients, so they can read about micronutrients. And then there's just a simple video explaining what nutrition is. So if I go to the community section, this is where the users can discuss different meal ideas, or even like just get help. So like you can see that one user has posted about what are healthy options, and then this is these are comments from other users, and the user can also make a post. So I'm just going to make a post quickly. So I've just made a quick post, and yeah, you can see the question I have and a small explanation. And over time, I think people will start adding comments. And then another section was the live cooking class, where users can learn about healthy eating meals, and as well as just discussing meal ideas. And then this is the profile section. So the user can see all their profile details and also set their weight and height, which is used in the weight tracking, and then the user can just sign out from here, or they can use this sign out button up here. And yeah, that's it.